On Friday, February 9, 2024, youths staged a peaceful protest outside the Lagos State House of Assembly demanding justice on behalf of the real estate mogul Abel. A few days prior, Abel had appealed to the chairman of the Lagos State Task Force on Environmental and Special Offences, DSP Shola Jejeloye, and the Lagos State Chief of Staff, Mr. Tayo Ayinde, in a widely circulated video on social media requesting that his piece of land which had been seized be returned.
Chief of Staff sọ fún Jejeloye kó lọ fence around ẹ ti rí lọ́lọ́gọ́lọ̀ because ọmọ the fence around kan fún Ṣèyí Tinubu ní key ẹ wo ẹ̀yin Nàìjíríà béèyàn ṣe ń commit suicide lélẹ́yìí o.
At the peaceful protest, protesters demanded the lawful return of the land that had been taken by force.
So we want to know their interest on the said land because Abel has all the right document of the land. He has governor consent on the land. And right now, police and hoodlums are presently on the land. Doing fencing it, pursuing people away from the said land. So we want to know their interest because there is presently unrest at Etiosa or Logolo Estate right now.
Honorable Sani Okolawon addressed the assembly at the scene, praising their dedication to a non-violent protest. He reassured them that the petitioners would be invited to be questioned, allowing the demonstrators and the authorities to communicate in an effort to find a fair solution.
On behalf of the Right Honorable Speaker of Lagos House of Assembly, Right Honorable Dr. Mudashiru Ajayi, we welcome you to your house.
Thank you very much.
I thank you very much. And I heard from you that you doesn't want violence and you've been conducting yourself peacefully. That is commendable. So I want to urge you or enjoin you to continue in that state. Continue to conduct yourself peacefully, calmly and orderly. While we look into this matter, I can assure you the House of Assembly will look into it. As soon as the petition gets to the Right Honorable Speaker, it will be allocated to a committee for resolution. And then you will be invited. Where is the petitioner going to go?
The petitioner is presently
on his behalf. So we'll look at it dispassionately and arrive at a meaningful resolution. I can assure you that. Once again, I want to enjoin you to continue to conduct yourself peacefully, orderly and calmly. Don't introduce violence into this matter. You are sure of justice. I thank you very much.
That is why we came here. Because it's so painful, sir. You said we are going to come back. You didn't give us any details or dates.
You invited very soon.
The petitioner not to.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you very much.
much.
God bless you. We are moving
Solidarity forever. Okay. Solidarity forever. We shall
always fight for our life. Our land, yo. Solidarity forever. Okay. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our life. Solidarity.
We sure hope you enjoyed this video. For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel GoldmyneTV and be unleashed into a world of super